We like to say that we take, outdoorsy folks and we turn their boring backyards into this outdoor paradise where you're really focusing on the friends, the food, and of course fire. And it really started because you're always sitting around a campfire as a child. You love being outdoors. Of course, you love s'mores. You love hanging out with your family and friends, and it's just taking that now to another level as adults. Now we can still have that same feel and the same atmosphere in your own backyard.
There's very few things in life more comforting and more conversational than sitting by a fire. It's just a glorious event.
Exactly, and I tell you, when you're cooking, with fire as well, it's the same thing. You get that experience throughout your entire cooking process. And one of the fallacies, I think, of pizza ovens, which is one of the things that we do, we have wood-burning ovens, and they're called pizza ovens, but the myth is that they only cook pizzas. And we spend more time grilling steaks and desserts. Cast iron peach cobbler is my total favorite. Breakfast casseroles. So it's really that you're cooking in an entire environment, but the whole time, with the open flames and the fire, and it just makes for a great atmosphere for everyone involved.